Thank you for joining us for today's presentation of Machine Trade's print reading. Before we begin our presentation, I'd like to share a little information about GW Publisher. As a trusted educational partner for more than 100 years, GW continues to operate with a vision that began in 1921 to provide the highest quality content at a great value and take the best care of our customers. We share your passion and commitment to prepare learners for success in life and career. GW collaborates with outstanding authors, trustworthy reviewers, and industry-focused trade associations to deliver content with effective pedagogy aligned to national standards. This team of experts across career, technical, and health education ensures that students have the right mix of knowledge and skills for success. Every GW title is built to help support student success with powerful content written by expert educators and industry experts aligned to standards. Our content, delivered in both print and digital options, is designed with pedagogical tools to promote applied, hands-on practice and authentic learning through projects, procedures, and skills. And of course, every GW adoption includes ongoing instructor support, from our time-saving resources like detailed lesson plans and PowerPoints, assessments, consultation to find the best package for your school, and professional development opportunities with our national content specialists. The online instructor resources provide instructors with time-saving preparation tools such as answer keys, editable lesson plans, and other teaching aids. Some features include lesson plans and activities. Experienced teachers have developed detailed lesson plans and creative activities to accompany the textbooks. There's no need to spend days recreating your courses. They have done it for you. PowerPoint presentations. Editable slides for each chapter engage a variety of learning styles, improve student focus, encourage discussion, and provide visual impact. Assessments with assessment software with question banks, which include hundreds of matching, completion, multiple choice, and short answer questions to assess student knowledge of the content in each chapter. GW Assessment is a cloud-based assessment platform that seamlessly integrates with a school's LMS. No more downloads, uploads, or imports needed. One quick click takes you directly into GW Assessment. Create, customize, assign, and print pre-built questions and tests to meet the needs of your course. Confirm student comprehension through hundreds of questions in matching, completion, multiple choice, and short answer format. Enjoy the auto-grading feature that saves you time, improves your efficiency, and helps with your overall course management. When integrated in an LMS, easily measure student knowledge as grades and results flow right into your LMS gradebook. Gain valuable insights into student performance with advanced reporting delivered to your LMS. Stay current with continuous platform updates that ensure your class always has access to the latest assessments and features. GW is connected and committed to helping you achieve your teaching goals while students master learning. Our print titles are also available as a digital experience that includes the full ebook, digital versions of workbook or lab manual, as well as any accompanied media, study tools, and assessments. Digital users for Machine Trade's print reading will have access to ebook content, online lab workbook, videos, end-of-unit activities, print PDFs, 3D files, an image library, and digital companion website. The digital companion website is an additional online resource for students. The site includes e-flashcards, vocabulary matching activities, review activities, and a variety of other learning activities. Now, let's dive into the textbook. Machine Trade's print reading is a combination text and write-in workbook, now in 4-color, designed to help students develop the basic skills required to visualize and interpret industrial prints. Ideal for beginner students, this text provides basic explanations supported by numerous print reading activities. The instructional materials, illustrations, and industrial prints are presented in a step-by-step sequence. This edition includes expanded, up-to-date coverage of GD&T and complies with the most recent ASME Y14 standards. In addition to an overview of the role of prints in the design and manufacturing process, this text teaches students the fundamentals of visualizing shapes, line usage, title blocks and notes, math, measurement, dimensions, and tolerances. The instructional design of this textbook includes student-focused learning tools to help you succeed. This visual guide highlights these features. Each unit opener contains a list of learning outcomes and a list of key terms. Learning outcomes clearly identify the knowledge and skills to be gained when the unit is completed. These outcomes are labeled and correlated to related assessment elements to facilitate reporting and remediation. Key terms list the key words to be learned in the unit. An introduction provides an overview of the unit content. Illustrations have been added and updated for this edition and are designed to clearly and simply communicate the specific topic. Photographic images have been updated to show the latest equipment. Industry prints have been added and updated. Additional features are used throughout the body of each chapter to further learning and knowledge. Pro tips provide advice and guidance that is especially applicable to on-the-job situations. End-of-unit material provides an opportunity for review and application of concepts. A concise summary provides an additional review tool and reinforces key learning outcomes. This helps you focus on important concepts presented in the text. Know and understand questions enable you to demonstrate knowledge, identification, and comprehension of unit material. Critical thinking questions develop higher-order thinking and problem-solving abilities. Apply and analyze questions, extend learning, and develop your abilities to use learned material in new situations and apply your new print reading skills while analyzing industry prints. These files are for use with activities at the end of units in the book. The files require a compatible viewer for opening PDF files. These 3D PDF files allow further visualization practice for components featured in the textbook. The corresponding STL files can be used with 3D printers, where available, to create actual models of the parts. Files provided in PDF and STL formats will require compatible programs. The image library for machine trades print reading is a collection of nearly all of the textbook illustrations in electronic format. Instructors can insert individual illustration files into other applications to create customized presentations, handouts, worksheets, study guides, and assessments. We are dedicated to creating exceptional professional development experiences that ignite innovation and drive student success. Through cutting-edge training and instructional design specifically for educators, GW can support you with the tools and knowledge needed to excel. Extend learning, build student interest, and create an engaging atmosphere for your class. Visit our Tools for Educators site to download printable activities, infographics, and posters along with student-centered instructional strategy videos ready for use today. A well-prepared educator is at the cornerstone of every successful learning environment, and GW is here to support you every step of the way. By providing tools that range from simple, user-friendly training resources that directly align to your textbook to high-impact instructional practices, we want every educator to feel confident using GW resources as a powerful gateway to student-centered learning. If you have additional questions or need assistance pertaining to the GW product, please contact us at GW Support or Customer Service and visit our knowledge-based articles and how-to guides at support.g-w.com. You may also submit a ticket through our support center by going to support.g-w.com/new, filling out the required fields, and creating your ticket. In addition, we have a number of knowledge-based articles and how-to guides that you can explore by visiting our support center. You may select a category. You may choose your specific LMS and read the articles of your choice. Please visit us at support.g-w.com to learn more. Every product we create at GW is informed by educators who teach the course it's designed for. We look for teachers or industry professionals who are experts in their field to thoroughly review our content before it's published. If you're interested in working with the GW team to develop new products and improve existing ones, visit www.g-w.com/engage with us to learn more. Stay up to date on the latest from GW when you follow us on social media. You can find us on Facebook, LinkedIn, X, Instagram, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And our new GW blog will cover important issues and insights across the career, technical, and health education fields. new trends and technologies that are transforming the workforce, and classroom-tested tips for CTE, health, and PE educators. Visit www.g-w.com to learn more about machine trades print reading for your course.